This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can find and modify the shooting preferences while in the manual operations mode on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to pick up your smartphone, launch the HOVERAir X1 app, and, well, of course, connect your drone to the app or make sure that they are connected. Now open the hover section, go into the smart preview to open the manual flying mode or flight mode, and then launch settings. From here at the top, select the shooting settings section, and on it you can switch the shooting mode between different modes. So let me select the video shooting mode instead, so I will actually have some modes to show you. So for example, for video you can switch between regular video and slow-mo. You can enable or disable vertical shooting, change the resolution rate between 4K and Full HD, select the preferred frame rate, video encoding format, color scheme, grid, or set a timer/countdown. When it comes to the photo shooting mode, by opening it, you can change the color scheme, you can, well, select the preferred grid mode, should I say, and also set a timer or a little countdown here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.